Hello all, just doing a real quick video on the Esteco August Thompson 1661 6-inch two-sided decorated tip cleaning brush. See it right here, two-sided. And what I wanted to be able to do was show you, there's so many different uses that you can use this two-sided brush with. But for example, for this particular video, I have a large Bismarck tube that I also got from Webster on. And the cool thing about it is, for this part right here, you can easily be able to, for this side, use it to go ahead and twist it around so you can get the paste or whatever it is you have inside of it. You can go ahead and give it a good clean. And then on top of that, you see how the tube is a lot smaller, then you can use this side. So let me show you. Let me go and just push it on through. See it? There it is there. So you can use this to go ahead and push it on back through, swish it around, and you can be able to clean it. So this is just one of the many uses for the two-sided brush. Thank you so much for watching.